Well, that's a big one, dude. Well, look at those pablanos.
Now, what are you doing there, Ray, with the pablanos over the fire?
Now we're roasting them. You get them hot, roast them up good, and then you put them in a plastic bag. Is the best way, and seal it up tight. And they'll sit there, and those skins will slip once they cool down a little bit. You can take and just slip those skins right off.
And the skins, I understand, are a little bit bitter, so that's why we want to remove the skins off of those things.
They're a little bitter. They're not real tough on a poblano, but it does definitely taste better if you get the skin slipped off.
Awesome. All right, we smoked our, grilled our chared them, our poblano peppers and that. Put them in here, put the plastic bag over, and smoked them in there, kind of sweated them out, I guess, so it's easier as we can. We can just take this skin right off. So we'll get these all peeled and get them all cleaned up and get back to you. You hit that pause. All right, Ray, what we're going to do is to do these stuffed poblano peppers, 4 steps. We grilled them, sweat them, take their skins off. Still a little bit of skin, but that's not.
Now, is that 3 steps or 1?
That's 1. Grill them, sweat them, and peel the skins. That's 1. 2 is we made the mixture, the stuffing right here. We're going to put some cheese in. And this is a mixture that's got some diced tomatoes, some shredded chicken that we'd already canned, about almost 2 breasts of chicken, finely shredded up. There's about a 1/4 cup of cilantro in there, some salt, some pepper, and we got about a 1/2 cup of sour cream, or 1 cup of sour cream. So 1 cup of sour cream, you mix that all together. There's a little bit of chopped onions and some chives. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave the stems on, and we're going to cut right down the top of these things just to open them up. Now, poblano peppers are not a real hot pepper. A lot of flavor though. Some people will actually take out the seeds, and we're not going to take out the seeds this time. We're just going to stuff them. So the way I like to do mine, we'll move that to the side. We'll show you on this one. We're going to open it up, if we've got a knife cut through. There we go. Oh, that's not good. Take that out. Okay. First step we're going to do, we're going to put some cheese down on the bottom of these things.
Some more cheese.
Okay. And we're going to spoon in our mixture. Put that all the way up in there. Stuff that thing in there.
Man, when you stuff a pepper, you stuff a pepper.
So that's 1 pepper right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a little bit of dough mixture, and then put it with some breadcrumbs on the outside, and then we're going to fry it up in a little shallow pan there. Just kind of grill it on the outside so that crust comes nice and hard on there, and this thing will be ready to eat. So I'll go ahead and stuff these other 3, and I'll get right back with you. All right. Well, here's the finished product. Ray, what do you think?
Looks pretty good.
You fried those poblano peppers up, melted